Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, I'm back. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your local internet auntie, Auntie Ren, here again with another video. I don't know how this is going to go. I don't know how we're going to do this failed attempt at Vlogmas, or trying to come in at a Vlogmas. I don't even know. I'm not even calling it Vlogmas. I think I'm going to call it something like 12 days of Christmas, because it's literally the last 12 days before Christmas. So we're making this up, okay? So don't judge. No judgments. We're making this up because we failed to start Vlogmas on time. So it's going to be just me talking to you guys and trying to release a video every day. Yeah, that's all I got. So we're going with it. This is what it is. It is what it is, right? So hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back. If you are returning, if you're new, hi, how are you? Settle in. I'm Auntie Ren and you're here for the shenanigans. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, excuse me, all of that, you know, and yeah, so that's it. So today I wanted to talk about what am I doing today. So in typical fashion, I started shopping for myself for the holidays. Don't judge. I told you this is a no judgment zone, judgment free, right? So I'm in my feelings. So when I'm in my feelings, I've got to shop my feelings. So I started shopping for myself. But this actually started back on Black Friday, and then it's kind of like trickled out since, well, no, okay, let's be truthful. It actually started probably since I was on Ban Island in October, and just started looking at some things in my collection and in my wardrobe and so on that I wanted to maybe, you know, just improve upon, get some more of, get one at all or what have you. So anyway, there's a lot of deals going on, you know, there's a lot of tidbits, little nuggets, little gems that are dropping, you know, all across the internet for different things to buy. So perhaps this is something that maybe you're looking for a gift for somebody, and you're like, what can I get them, you know, kind of thing. So maybe you can use that. You can use this video to get some inspiration where that's concerned. But in all honesty, I bought this for myself because, yeah, because I was in my feelings and I wanted it and it was on sale. So anyway, so if you saw the title of the video, then you know what this is, and if you don't, then we're going to look at it together for the first time. I've been pre-cutting open my boxes, guys, just so it can be a little bit easier, so I'm not fussing around and having a blade, you know, using a blade on camera. I'm not the most graceful, so I don't need any reason to be, you know, bleeding on YouTube. So so anyway, so let's get into it. We're going to open it up and give it a look. So like I said, I've already pre-cut the box, and if you don't know, so you're going to see it right now. Well, we're going to see it together. Pre-cut open the box. It's very nice presentation actually. So okay, I'll show you what it looks like. So my address and everything is on the other side, but basically when I opened it up, it looks like this. Hopefully you can see it. If not, I'll try to zoom in so you can see it if you can't see it. And basically it is a hat, if you don't know. So hats have been hugely popular on YouTube and fashion. I mean, I'm looking at, you know, the lovely influencers and fashion gurus that I follow on Instagram, and they've all got these beautiful hats, and I'm hat challenged. So I have a very small head, a little pea head, but I have a lot of hair, and then if you put a wig on top of it, girl, then it's a dunner. All right, it's a wrap for the hat. So I've yet to find a hat that looked nice, that fit nice on my head shape. Yeah, so with this company, now this is called Lack of Color. So Lack of Color is an Australian company, and I was hearing lots of great reviews. Like everyone was raving about this brand. So they have a little card in here that comes inside of the hat, and it says make sure you still get your daily dose of sunshine. Sunshine improves your mood, reduces stress, improves your immunity, increases productivity, boosts cognitive function, improves sleep quality, plus it adds a little sparkle to your day. That's really sweet. So they put this little card in there. And then there's also this little postcard that just says Lack of Color Utopia. Thank you for your LOC purchase. Share with us, tag us, inspire us with hashtag Lack of Color, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, blah, blah, blah. So yep, so that's what the front of that card looks like. And then the back. So yeah, so that's with that. I will try, I don't see an invoice in here, so I'll try to pop the information up on the screen on what size I ended up getting and like the stats of the hat. If I can't, for whatever reason, if you know, if the editing is not with me and I'm unable to get it together to get the stats on the screen, then I will put the details in the description box below. But it basically comes with this kind of like, I don't know, what do you want to call this? Like a frame for it that protects it. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, that's fancy. So they actually ship from Australia. It did take a bit of time to get here. I believe they shipped this DHL or EMS or something like that here. I'm in the US, so it was a little bit of a time to get here. But guys, OMG, wow. Okay, so that's that for that. That's the only thing in the box. So we'll just take the box and put it over. Try not to break anything. And put it over there. So it comes in this like humongous Ziploc bag. Wow. Okay. It's literally a humongous Ziploc bag. Oh, look at this color. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my god, look at it. Wow, this is quality. Wow. So I tried, and I should get, I think I'm going to grab a hat. So I saw a hat at Forever 21, and on the model it looked like this, and when I actually got the hat in hand and they shipped it to me, I was like, this is false advertisement. Like, this is like, you're blatantly lying. Like, this does not look like this. The hat was supposed to look like this and ended up looking a hot, matter of fact, I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna go get the hat so you can see what it looks like. I tried to find it. I probably threw it out because it was just an embarrassment. I mean, it was just not anywhere. It was completely crushed. It was shipped completely like folded in on itself. It had absolutely no shape. I put it on. I looked like the scarecrow from The Wizard of Oz or something. It was horrid. So it didn't even fit on my head. It just kind of like flopped. It was terrible. This though, this beauty, holy cow, this is beautiful. Wow, this is really, really nice, guys. So look how firm this is. I'm so impressed. I'm not a big hat person because, like I said, I can never find a hat to fit my any type of extensions or hairstyles, all the hairstyles I change into. I can never find a hat that would fit through all of that. So I'm not a huge hat person, but this, I mean, this is really lovely. So this is the inside. Give you a view of that. And it says Lack of Color inside. And I'm trying to see if there's any stats on this that I could give you. So, oh, okay, here's the size. So I got an XX large, double XL. I mean, makes sense. It goes with the name of the channel. So I got a double XL, which is a 63 centimeter. And it says 100% Australian wool, spot clean. And let's see, I'm trying to see if the color is here so I can tell you what color it is, and if not, I can always pop it up on the screen. No, so I don't have the color, but it's coming. I don't know if it's coming off the right color on camera, but it is this beautiful like camel color. So I do have on a wig, and I have my natural hair underneath braided. So let's see if it fits. Okay, we're gonna do this together. So if it doesn't, oh god, if it doesn't fit, I'm going to be so embarrassed. No, I'm not gonna be embarrassed, but I'll be a little bit sad because, you know, I think I ordered the right size and everything, and I wanted to sit a certain way. So here we go. All right, and I'm leaving the tag on. Okay. Okay, how's it look? Do I look ridiculous? Wait, hold on, I've got a bun on. There we go. I got a bun in the back of my braids, so I don't know if that's like, how does it look? I don't know, I can't see it. Does it look ridiculous? Is it cute? Am I cute now? No. Guys, okay, so I'm scared that it looks big because it feels big. It feels like massive on me, and I don't have a forward facing lens, so I can't see what I look like. So yeah, I have a bit of a bun, so my hair is braided underneath and then it's gathered in a low bun, but it's not low enough, so it's right at the circumference of the hat, so it does feel a bit fitted right now, but it feels to me, it feels massive. So I don't know, you guys tell me what's it look like. Oh, now I feel like I need to stop recording and go and look at it. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, all right, now I have to go look and see what it looks like. Okay, all right, I'll be back. Okay, I looked at it. I went to go look. What do you think? I like it. I really do like it. I've never had a hat like this before in my life. I don't know, this is so, oh my gosh, this is so foreign to me, but I do like it. I think it looks lovely. What do you guys think? Are you into hats? I was thinking, you know, for the winter, autumn, you know, kind of, you know, fashion, you know, you're going to, you know, the gift exchange, you know, you're on the Zoom or whatever, the video chat, and there's but so much you can do with the top half of your body, right? So it's like once your hair is did, you know, whatever, and you've got your top on or whatever, you know, you want to maybe, you know, just jazz it up a little bit with a little bit of a hat, a little bit of a hat moment. What do you think? Oh my gosh, I don't know. I think I like it. I think I do like it. I've got to play with it a bit and wear it out and stuff like this, but I think I do like it. And it wasn't super expensive. I think it was about maybe 100 and something US dollars. And like I said, I'll put the stats somewhere on the screen where I'll give you like the name of it, the name of the hat, and the now I'm trying to give you guys, I'm giving you angles, guys. I'm giving you angles. So it's I'll put the name of it, I'll put the size, which I told you how much I spent for it, the price, the color. But I think it's a look. I think this is actually, it feels like really good quality. So I'm not mad at it. I'm really not. I feel like this is something that I will have for years to come, and I can like incorporate it into my wardrobe. I think this is cute. I think I'm getting thumbnail vibes. No? You tell me. Comment down below and let me know if the hat is a no for you. I don't know, but I think I kind of like it. I think I like, ooh, I'm feeling like feeling like a Western character or something. I don't know. I just like the, you know, it's like it's a whole moment, right? I can see a little bit of a profiling going on. When you're on the Zoom and you're on the chat or whatever, the video chat, and you're like, hey everybody, how you doing? Hey, and you show up with this bad boy on, it's like, ooh, where you going? I like it a lot. I don't know what took me so long to get on the bandwagon. I think there's a huge plus to being able to get the proper size. You know, just going by the regular, like, you know, sizing in some of like the, you know, more of the high street stores, it was a struggle for me. I couldn't get it together. I could not find anything to fit this dome. And it's so funny because when I was bald, I was like, holy cow, I've got the smallest head in the world. Hats would literally like fall down to my nose. I didn't realize my head was so small. But then when I put my hair, okay, my hair grew out, okay, fine. but then put fake hair on top of that, and it was just like, never going to get it. We could never find anything to fit me. So this is a look. I like it. Ooh, tell me what you think. Comment down below and let me know if you're digging the hat situation. But I bought myself a hat, guys. So that's it for this day in this video. Don't forget, I still have a giveaway going. Giveaway is going to be going into the end of the month. I'll put up the screen with the giveaway instructions, giveaway information, or what have you. So you know to go back and check out that video. I'll also put the video in the iCard, so you can go ahead and check that video out if you have not. Like, if this is the first time you're seeing the crazy that is me. So you'll know I'm doing a giveaway until the end of the year, and you can go ahead and check that video out and do all the bits that need to get done for you to enter. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Talk to you soon.